Hi guys, I'm late because I overslept. I thought the bus will leave me.
Nasa bus na. Katabi ko. Hello.
So our tour guide are giving us our review on what we can expect in Paradise Summer Camp. And she's also introducing us to our VIPs in the bus, which is the nurses.
Eh? Sino po kaya? Yung ating one of the VIP. Guys, say good morning po kay Ma'am Glormy.
Morning, Ma'am Lordy.
Ayan, good morning na po sa inyo.
So we're finally here at the Paradise Adventure Camp. The first thing that we did there was to dance and do some light exercise. On our first game, tour guides are teaching us the rules of this game, and we only need to avoid the strings in order to win.
Ganun po ang bilang na leader sa 4. Ganyan ang bilang na leader sa 5. Okay then?
Bungguin nyo! Bungguin nyo! Bungguin nyo! Sige! Gawa nung sasaba tayo. Bye.